Hi everyone, welcome back to Top Tip Tuesday. So each week I'm going to be giving you some top tips using resources that are really simple and really cheap, so you don't have to go out and spend lots of money. So this week's top tip is the Humble Dice. Never underestimate the power of the dice. It is so much fun and it is so useful for so many different things, so get creative with it. First of all, obviously you can roll it, get the child to tell you what number it is. Can they write that number down in digits, and in word format? So that really helps with the spellings of those numbers because some of them are quite tricky. You can roll it twice and make 2-digit numbers. You can roll it 3 times and make 3-digit numbers. So for example, I could roll it and I've got 2, that could be the hundreds, 200, a 4 and a 1, 241. Can they write that down in digits and as words as well? Then, of course, you can move that on to addition and subtraction. Roll me 2 numbers, add them together. Roll me 2 numbers, take them away. Roll me 2 numbers, multiply them. Roll me a 2-digit number. Roll me a single-digit number. Can you divide those? And thinking about things like odds and evens as well really play really nicely into dice work. Of course, there's the age-old problem of probability. So how many times are they going to roll each number? A really good task to get them to do, to be thinking about that. And it also requires them to do things like tally charts, which they can then make into bar graphs and other types of graphs as well. So that's just touching on some of the things you can do with maths, but you can also, of course, use it for any kind of game. So they could create their own board game. Can they adapt a board game that they already know? Can they make a board game and adapt it into a game about their topic or their chosen subject, using the dice as their stimulus? And then, of course, you can make up your own games. You can link the number on the dice to absolutely anything. So let's say, one example, you could roll the dice and number lots of words. Now this is an alien word, but you could also have real words, so it could be phonic based, it could be spelling based, the spelling patterns they're learning that week, it could be topic words that they're not so sure about, but all you have to do is simply write them, put a number on it, roll it, they pick it up, read it, write it, spell it, put it into a sentence. And you don't have to print these, you can simply just write your own on scrap pieces of paper or on post-it notes. It can link to lots of things in science as well, so thinking about those graphs and charts and making the link between science and maths. So that's just touching on some of the things you can do with the dice. The possibilities are almost endless. If you do actually come up with anything you think you've done really well with the dice, or you have a go at it this week and you think, oh my goodness, that worked so well, please put some comments on the video below and let everybody else know what you used it for. Sharing is a great idea. The more ideas that we can share right now, the better, because we can all help each other out. So, get the dice out, have lots of fun. See you next time.